This was my smile before I came to North Oaks Dental, and this is my smile now. Basically, my teeth were going bad from the gum line up. It made me very insecure and uncomfortable around new people. That's one of the reasons I reached out to Dr. DeBoel. And as you'll probably see, I have a gorgeous smile now, and I'm very thankful, to him for that. Well, I wore a traditional denture for a while, and they were just poor fitting. They never stayed in place. It was hard to eat with them. So when I found out about the implants, I was really excited. I kind of hid my smile. I put my hand in front of my mouth a lot, or I just gave a little half smile. But now, I love it. I came in for the initial exam and consultation, and he kind of walked me through everything. He said to have somebody come back with me. My husband came back with me, and we went through everything again in greater detail. And he let me know, what was going to happen. And then we agreed, my husband and I, it was something we wanted to do. So at that point, we just took it step by step. I was almost in tears. I was so happy, tears of joy. I just couldn't believe it went from that to this. It was well worth it. Well worth it. That the procedures are very painless and explained in detail. I would just let him know that it's a good place to go and at least get a consultation and find out, if it's something that would fit for them. I'm very comfortable with it here. I love Dr. DeBoel and his staff. They always make me feel very welcome and very comfortable.